Hey there fellow traveler, welcome back to our channel BEI Traveler Adventure. Today we have an exciting adventure planned for you. We are setting sail on the magnificent cruise ship to explore the vibrant and colorful Curacao Island. So get ready for a caffeine-fueled journey filled with a unique cafe experience and breathtaking sights. Curacao is a hidden paradise in the Caribbean known for its picturesque beaches, diverse culture and vibrant architecture. So everyone join us and we are going to embark on this unforgettable journey to discover this island's hidden gems and indulge in the rich coffee culture that Curacao has to offer. As our cruise ship approaches the island, we are greeted by the stunning sight of pastel-colored buildings lining the waterfront. Curaçao's capital, Willemstad, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its charming streets beckon us to explore further. But before we dive into the city's cultural wonders, let's start our day with a cup of delicious local coffee. Curaçao is the home to a vibrant coffee scene, with cozy cafes dotted throughout the island. From traditional coffee houses to trendy special coffee shops, there is something for every coffee enthusiast. So join us, we visit some of the best coffee spots on this island, where we'll indulge in the aromatic brews and learn about some local coffee traditions. Our first stop takes us to the quaint coffee shop tucked away in the heart of Willemstad. The aroma of freshly roasted beans fill the air as we enter, and the barista warmly welcomes us. We immerse ourselves in the coffee making process, witnessing the meticulous preparation techniques and tasting the unique flavors of Curaçao's coffee. Fueled by caffeine, we set out to explore the island's natural wonders. Curacao is renowned for its stunning beaches, and we find ourselves basking in the sun on the powdery white sand, with crystal clear turquoise water stretching as far as the eye can see. It's the perfect place to relax, unwind and savor the memories created over a cup of coffee. As the sun sets on our incredible journey, we find ourselves back to the cozy cafe, reflecting on the unforgettable experience we have had in the Curacao. The combination of stunning landscapes, rich culture and aromatic coffee has created a truly memorable adventure. So thank you for watching and joining us on the amazing journey to the Curacao Island. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel BEI Traveler Adventure for more exciting travel and coffee content. And remember, every journey is a blend of flavor and the stories awaiting to be discovered. Until next time, sip, savor, and keep exploring.